Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo V15 G2ITL. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo V15 G2ITL only charges when you hold the cable at a certain angle, you're likely dealing with a faulty charging port. This issue can arise from wear and tear, dust accumulation, or even a damaged connector. If left unfixed, it could lead to more severe damage to the internal components of your laptop, and may eventually prevent it from charging altogether. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement charging port compatible with the Lenovo V15 G2ITL. Begin by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover of the device. Start at one corner and gently work your way around, being cautious not to damage the clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the charging port. It's usually situated near the battery and connected to the motherboard. Remove any screws securing the charging port in place using the Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep these screws safe, as you'll need them for reassembly. Next, gently disconnect any cables attached to the charging port, taking care not to tug too hard on the wires. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, remove the faulty charging port and replace it with the new one, ensuring it fits snugly in place. Reattach any cables and secure the charging port with the screws you previously removed. Before closing the back cover, double-check that everything is connected properly and there are no loose components. Once you are satisfied, carefully snap the back cover back onto the device, ensuring all clips are secured. Power on your laptop and test the charging port with your cable to confirm the repair was successful. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the charging port to remove dust and debris, and try to avoid putting unnecessary stress on the cable while charging. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.